This is the unboxing video of the SCiO Mini Dairy Analyzer, which I just received. It comes in a little carton box, delivered by FedEx. Take it out of the box and look what you get. A beautiful little bag that will have something in it. And we're gonna look at it together. It says it has in it the SCiO Mini 2 self-test accessory, charging cable and lanyard. Okay, that will be very exciting. We will have a quick look. We take the carton off and then we look what is inside. It will be, okay, it's well wrapped, comes from far away. Yeah. Okay, carton comes off. Beautiful little container. And in it we find the SCiO Mini with its rubber protection so it can exclude light. Okay. A self-test accessory. We'll figure out what that is. We have a nice, very strong lanyard, so you can keep it on your neck, have it always with you in the dairy, and when you need to make a test, you have it. Well, yep, let's see what that is. That's it. Okay, well done. Go and put it back in. And have the charging cable. No, beautiful, well presented and all ready to go. My next video will show you actually using it on cheese. Until then.